Hello creative minds. Today we will explore another action pose that can assist you in drawing, illustration and animation. But first, let me welcome you to the CSS channel. Now, let's dive into these two poses. Through the use of these poses, we will discover how perspective impacts the body parts and how we can simplify complex poses. I will begin by constructing the center line of the torso, as the entire torso depends on this flow. Next, I will identify the shoulder and leg joints using cylinders for the thigh and the leg. By applying the basic rule of perspective, close objects appear large while distant objects appear small. To gain more depth, we need to apply perspective correctly when working on the arms and adding the head. It is critical to keep in mind the proportion of 7.5 heads when creating the body. If you are unsure about this, I suggest revisiting earlier basic tutorials and understanding the 7.5 body proportions and basic shapes of the body before proceeding with this tutorial. Once you have a clear understanding of construction and perspective, you can apply any character to construction. In this tutorial, I am creating a character similar to Hanumanji, adding muscles and expressions to make it more interesting. Remember to always focus on strong construction and perspective to create dynamic poses. Check out the related topics tutorial on this channel and stay tuned for more tutorials in upcoming days or weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful content.